People, back at it again with another amazing video for you guys. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new application that is rolled out for Jojo's Amazing TV service. It is called Jojo's Amazing Xtream. Now, with this service, you'll get over 8,000 channels for $12 a month, and you get 2 connections. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's pretty nice, especially with this new app. Okay, now that being said, I have existing customers where they running off the old service providers. You guys running off the old server. You guys still have good stuff, you know what I mean? But this one is especially for the new provider, which if you renew, you're gonna be jumped onto this one. Okay, so that being said, let me show you how this looks and how you sign into it, because it is a little different way of hooking it up to signing into it. Okay, so we're gonna go into it and you're gonna see this here. Now, this is where I said it's a little different to sign in. You see how I clicked up there, the login? You're gonna click that first. Click login, and this is where you put your credentials in, you know, your username and your password. So I'm gonna write mine's in real quick. Give me a second here. Okay guys, got my username, got my password in, and I just realized something. I am super bright and I gotta learn how to adjust these lighting. But anyways, as you see here, you have your username and password entered in. Just make sure, guys, you click in where it says remember me. Make sure you have the checkbox there. All you do from here is you hit save, right there, hit save, allow it to save. It's gonna say it's linked is saved, or linked to save. Yeah, you're gonna see now. You highlight the sign in, click that, and boom, you should be logged in. Now the first time when you log in, it's gonna take a little bit to log in. As you see, it's loading. Allow it to load up, and it's gonna download your EPG, which is your TV guide. And this TV guide is actually pretty interactive. Now I'm not saying, guys, it's 100% accurate, because it isn't, but I'm gonna show you something. All right, first you get all your categories. I'm gonna go down all the list of categories. You have your categories, and there is a lot, because you get over 8,000 channels with Jojo's Amazing TV. And like I said, it's $12 for 2 connections for 1 month, and you get over 8,000 channels. You get movies, TV guide, all that, TV, everything. So look, this is a live TV section. If I click right on the Fire Stick remote, because this is Fire Stick friendly as well, I go into video on demand. You have your video on demand categories. Okay, now you click over to TV series. You have your TV series categories, and you click over to your profile, which you see. This is what I like about the profile. It tells you how many days you have remaining, the when you started your service, and when it's expiring. Okay, as you see here. Okay, so we're gonna click over one more time. Excuse me, I apologize, I just sneezed. And you see more. Now you see you have your settings. You go into the settings. You have your start at boot, and honestly, turn that off, because it will be automatically on. Turn it off. You got your usage notification. Turn that off as well, because you don't want constantly notifications. And as you see here, everything else pretty much the same. You want to leave. Okay, all that you want to leave. You can change your time zone if you choose to, you know what I mean, because it's going to be wrong. I think it says like Africa. You could turn this off and you could change what time zone you're in. Okay, so now let's back out of that. We're going to scroll over to the live TV section, and that's the one thing, guys. Take some time with this. Like, if you go through it extremely fast, what I noticed through the testing process, it does freeze up a little bit, but it'll catch up. But just, you know, click through it like normal. And the same thing with the TV channels. So let's say, for example, we're going into this one, USA Entertainment. I'm going to go into it. You're going to see this off the bat. Don't freak out. You're like, what's going on? It's not working. It's because you didn't select the channel. That circle with the line through it, that don't answer, it's just, that's how it's set up. So you have your channels here. Okay, now I'm going to show you something. Once you click, there we go. Once you click the channel, it's going to start. But I want to show you something. You can change the layout. You see how I let me do something real quick here. There we go. You see how I have those three that you can say little things highlighted. Click that. Guess what happens? You could change it to that view. Honestly, I like it this view better. But anyways, now watch what happens when I select the TV channel. Click into that, and it comes in. Now, what's nice about this, you click over, you see how I highlighted the screen? Guess what? You click it, it goes full screen. You back out, give it some time, there you go. And then if you click down, you have an interactive TV guide. You see that? Pretty nice. There is one thing I am gonna, let me actually back out this so that I won't talk over the channel. There is one thing I did notice about this. Sometimes if you're watching a stream, sometimes it'll freeze the channel and it'll say something wrong. The easiest fix for that is back out, hit the back button, back out into your your channel screen, and then just simply click back into the channel and it'll start up again. I noticed that. I don't know if it's the channel, but it does happen once in a while. It happened to me when I was testing it a total of 3 times, but then when I did it the 3 times, it ran pretty much all night with no problem. Okay, so as you see here, you have, if you don't know about JoJo's Amazing TV, by the way, it's a great service. You get over 8,000 channels. Please check out, wrong way, check out that jojosamazingvideos.com. The website will help you out with the price guide and everything. And I do give free trials. It's Monday through Friday. It is 1 day, and you guys can check it out. Okay. So, and also I have JoJo's Budget TV as well. I do have JoJo's Budget Xtream. It's in the same filing code, and I'll show you in a second how you get those how you get those apps. So now you see, you go scrolling down. You're like, okay, this is cool. You can actually, let me back out of this because it's USA Entertainment. Let's go into, I don't know, let's see. Let's go to kids. We'll go into the kids. Okay. You go into it and you want to watch Cartoon Network, let's say, right there. You notice how it says no EPG data? That means because there is no TV guide set up for it. I'm sorry. I know some people love TV guide, but that's how it's just set up. Okay. So let's say you want to watch that. You click that.
Dude, I don't have time for this. I really gotta go.
See, there's no TV guide, but you want to watch full screen. Like I said, you'll highlight that. You'll see over there, you'll highlight it and click it, and it pulls up full screen.
Follow me? Got it.
And you see how it goes? You have full access to it.
You said follow me.
And you can press down to the lower the volume, but you see it only goes to 93. You can raise it up to 100, and then you can just back out, and there you go. Okay? We'll do it again. We'll back out. But there is a thing. You can't save favorite channels. Okay, you know how some people say they want to save the favorite. This app doesn't have the feature to save your favorites. But to be honest with you, if you know the channel you want, you know what category you want, you could just go in it and listen. This thing is nice and smooth. It works pretty well. And I just want to show you one more channel because I know this channel is very popular. Let me scroll up here. Here we go. This channel is popular around the eastern Pennsylvania. It's NBC 10. On other applications, has been having issues. I understand. I've been putting service tickets in for it, but I want to show you something here. Okay, we're gonna click down, and where is that? Philadelphia, right there. NBC 10 Philly. Click into it. It comes in nice and smooth. Nice. You know what I mean? So we're gonna hit back out, and basically, guys, it's an awesome service. If you're not joined up on it, hit me up. Join the club. It's $12 a month for 2 connections. You get over 8,000 channels. You get a video on demand. You get TV series. It's awesome. Also, let's say you're tight on budget. There's also $5 a month that I do offer. It's called JoJo's Budget TV. That's $5 a month for 1 connection. It's straight live TV, but I'll be honest with you guys, it is pretty good because you get over 1,000 channels. Okay, this video is more focused on the Amazing TV, but I'm telling you, JoJo's Budget TV for $5 a month, 1 connection, you go to over 1,000 channels. Man, I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong. Also, I have For $10, you get 3 connections. When I say connections, guys, I mean you can have 3 TVs on the same time, okay? And then 2 TVs on the same time. That's what I mean, okay? Now, you're asking, okay, that's cool and all, but where's the app? I'm going to show you. Download File Link. If you don't have File Link, links are down below of how to get in, how to set it up. Super easy. You're going to go into that, File Link. You're going to enter that code in, which is 748-61473. Enter that code in. Once you enter that code in, it's going to bring you to my app store for the Jojo's Amazing TV and Jojo's Budget TV. The Amazing TV is on the top and Budget TV is on the bottom. Okay, as you see on the top, the very first one is Jojo's Amazing Xtream, and if you have Jojo's Amazing, sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied. Jojo's Amazing TV. If you have the Amazing TV series service, you'll be able to jump onto that as long as you have the newer provider. Okay, and I can tell you if you message me. If you don't, I can message you and let you know. Okay, and Budget TV is down here. Okay. Click down, and I have a lot of apps as you see there, but I am gonna minimize. I'm gonna take away some apps because there is some apps that are having issues, and I do get feedback from a lot of people, which I truly appreciate. Now you see how it says Jojo's Budget TV. Here you go. You have right there. You have Jojo's Budget TV, and honestly, okay, the Xtream will be there. Okay, I thought I added it, but it's not there at the moment, but it will be after this video. Trust me and believe it will be there. Okay, guys? So, as you guys see, there you go. It's on a Fire Stick. Works smooth. It's nice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, also, as you see, Mr. One Up Mushroom up top, I finally got my new green screen in. I'm still working on the lighting. I'm trying to get perfect lighting so I don't look so bright in my face. But I finally got in, so more of my videos you will see me one-on-one, okay? So I appreciate it, guys. Guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share. Also, hit the bell button to get notifications when I push out a new video. And once again, I keep on going the wrong way. Once again, hit that, check that out, Jojo's AmazingVideos.com. And if you guys want to join my support group, I have Facebook, Telegram, and Twitter. If you guys want to join that, all that's down below. Check me out. I have a great group of people. I have awesome administrators part of the group to help me out when I'm too busy at my main job. But all said and done, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, check out the service. It's a bang for the buck. You know, it's better than paying over $100 for something that you can get less. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great evening, guys.